Looking for the easiest American Express business card to get? You have two outstanding picks. Just knowing that you need a business credit card as an entrepreneur in huge financial step. Why? Building business credit card is essential to laying a strong financial foundation for your company, and business card will help you to you do just that. Looking for the easiest American Express business card to get is also good move, as the card issuer offer excellent choices for small business owner. You will be happy to discover that there is such a thing as Super Amex business card. And if you are worried about qualifying, we believe there are two cards tied for the easiest American Business Express business card to get. Both of these options get you access to Amex strong reward offering. Each also come with the kind of competitive perks and give and top card a run for their money. Well, run through the finer details. Let's find the best business card for you. Option 1, Amex Business Green Reward. The first of the card you will looking for the Business Green Reward card from American Express Small Business. This card offers business owner entry level access to Amex Small Business, which includes saving discount rewards. Qualification for the Amex Business Green. One benefit of business card over small business loan is that card issuer don't take your time in business into account during the underwriting process. The best purpose of Amex Business Green. For forward, Amex Business Green offer 2x membership reward point per S1 spent on the American Express travel website. Option 2, Amex Business Card Gold Card. The second of two cards that are usually the easiest American Express business card to get, the Business Gold Reward Card from American Express Small Business. Qualification for the Amex Business Gold Reward. Much like the other card in Amex network, the best perks of the Amex Business Gold Card. American Express Business Gold Card. A real full review, not spending limit. How to pick between these two cards? You want to access to the Amex Small Business Network for the lowest fees. As the entry level Amex card, you will be able to get perks for the cheapest price. Choose the Amex Business Gold card. If you want to earn more points, not only there are a longer welcome bonus, but fact you can earn 4x point on multiple categories. Top spend categories mean this card will work harder for you if you are bigger spender and will utilize these points. One thing you must be for applying for any business credit card. Alternative to these American Business Express credit card. Best for business owner who prefer cash reward, Amex Blue Business Credit Card.